Teachers always use facilities to assist them during class, especially in science courses such as mathematics, physics, chemistry, and etc. Unfortunately, however, the auxiliary means available, like the blackboard, PowerPoint, and so on, all have its disadvantages. For instance, the blackboard on which teachers have to write with chalk. To draw a figure accurately is much inconvenience for them. List of a figure in 3D mode. In addition, the endless dust made by chalk can also do great harm to our beloved teachers. PowerPoint, likewise, has its disadvantages too. A presentation in PowerPoint is all set in advance, and there's no way for the teacher to casually do any change in the figure dynamically, whereas 3D mode is almost beyond imagination. To solve limitations and disadvantages of traditional teaching equipment like Blackboard and PPT, we have now built our eSprite auxiliary teaching system. Opening our system, we can see two fundamental button sets, the figure set and the toolbar set. We can also see a button on the lower left of our system. That's the mode shift button, by which we can either choose 3D mode or 2D mode. To operate on our system, all you need is just to use your hands. Now, let us get acquainted with our system on the 3D mode first. The figure set contains two buttons, Basic Figure, Elements. Click on the Basic Figure button, we can see a dozen of basic 3D figures come out in a frame. Choose a 3D figure. The figure will appear on the main board of our system. We can do some operations to the figure, including magnifying, reducing, turning, and pulling. As we can see, our system can do all the operations smoothly under the guide of our gestures. After setting our basic figure to a proper size and location, we can insert one or another elements to the figure, which are used to make the figure more consummate to cater for the use of scientific classes. Click on the Element button. Some fundamental elements will pop out from the left side of our system. Choose the elements we want to add to our 3D figure. Adjust their size and location, and we get the exact composite figure for use. During this process, we can use the toolbar set to adjust our procedure. The toolbar set has 7 buttons: Undo, Redo, Clear, Save, Voice Input, Lock, and Free Write. Aside from the Voice Input button, Lock, and Free Write, all other 4 buttons are exactly identical to the Microsoft standard. The voice input button is one of our innovation points. It can work out like an intelligent robot who can understand your words. Let me show you how it works. Give me a cube. Add a diagonal line to the cube. Currently, this robot should have more voice instructions to learn. The Lock button is for avoiding misoperations. If you click on the Lock button, all the other buttons on the screen are disabled. But teachers can still do specific gestures to the figure to have a better view to look at it without doing any operation to it. The free writing button is for the teachers to write notes, such as the condition and question of the problem. 2D mode is just as the same to 3D mode. We will produce a composite 2D figure for you in order to show how 2D mode works. Our system solved several basic problems caused by traditional teaching equipment and made a breakthrough to the limitation. The innovations of our system, such as 3D models, gesture controls, and voice input, made teachers more convenient and efficient in class. In summation, our system filled a blank in teaching equipment, and we are convinced that eSprite auxiliary teaching system is valuable and inspiring. Wish you had a good experience using our eSprite teaching auxiliary system.